Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create student result pass or fail sheet. So here is an example that I have created here, and we're going to go ahead and check this one. So this is going to be for their quiz, midterm, and then final exam. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start by creating conditional formatting. So we head over to home, conditional formatting, and highlight cell rules. If it's equal to, say for example, we're gonna start with fail. There you go. So if the cells contains fail, it is going to highlight the cells with light red, fill with dark red text. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that one. And I'm going to go ahead and click this again, and we're going to go ahead and add another one. So this time it's going to be pass. So in that case, we're going to choose the green fill with dark red or dark green text. Click OK. And then I'm going to go ahead and ensure that it is added to all of these things here. There you go. So I've highlighted it. And yeah, the next thing that we're going to do is add some sort of formula. So if, say, for example, here, if, and then say, for example, this one is going to be over the 75, it is going to write pass. Otherwise, it's going to write fail. So there you go. Now I'm going to hit enter. And as you can see, it's pass. I'm going to go ahead and add it or drag it to the rest of the thing here. So there you go. Now we have pass, we have fail. There you go. Pass, fail, and so on and so forth. So yeah, that is how you're going to do it. I hope this video helps you out.